Hi 5G, 5D, and 5W. Today I'm going to be doing some classroom chemistry with you inside my own kitchen. So I changed our name from classroom chemistry to kitchen chemistry since you're likely going to be doing it in your kitchen too. So this has been posted as a science challenge for the week, and all the steps will be posted on a link on the website to go with this experiment. So today we're going to be making crystals out of borax. Borax is one of the items that you're going to need to pick up if you want to try this out. You'll also need some food coloring, which you might have at home already. I'm going to use green today. You'll need 3 pieces of pipe cleaner, a little bit of string. You can use a pencil or a dowel to tie your pipe cleaner to the dowel. So what you'll need is, to start with, is your pipe cleaner. So to get your pipe cleaner looking something like this mess, you just kind of start twisting it up into little loops and bending it around until you get something that looks like that. And doesn't have to be perfect, whatever shape you want it to be in, but I did curve mine like a little basket kind of to hold and support the crystal. So you can tuck your ends in, make sure they're kind of wrapped around. Once you have this formation, you can tie a string to it, tie your string to the dowel, and we're going to be putting that inside of the jar later. One thing you will also need for this is boiling water. So I'm going to say it now. When we're using boiling water, you're going to need a parent to help you do that part, or at least have someone supervising you with that part, with using the boiling water and adding it to your jar. If you don't have a jar like this, you can use a bowl or any kind of dish that this will submerge into, so it doesn't have to be just like this one. So starting with boiling water, just going to take our boiling water, put it into this measuring cup up to the 1 cup mark. 1 cup, 250 milliliters. So if you are doing the math, which I did right here, I need 4 of those cups to make 1,000 milliliters, which equals your 1 liter, and that should fit into my jar. So I put in the 4 cups. Ow. Don't do what I do and splash boiling water on yourself. Into the jar. One more should fit in there. And then you're going to start adding the borax into your hot water mixture. So taking the borax, you're going to need about 1.5 to 2 cups. So I'm just going to start with a little over a cup and see if I can get that in there. You want the borax mixed into your jar to the point where you have a little bit settling on the bottom. That's how you know that you've reached the point of saturation. Then you know you don't have to add any more in. Go ahead, get it in there, start stirring it around. You want it very cloudy. So I'm going to keep going, not cloudy enough, so. The problem I'm having is that it might spill out over the top of my jar. So maybe use something bigger when you go to do it. I think I can almost get it in there. Some might spill out over the top. Sorry. Okay, get my borax in there. Make sure that it's very cloudy, not settling, or we want to see some settling on the bottom. That's how we know we've done enough. I might take some off the top and put more borax in. Well, actually it is settling, so I may have enough. Stir it a little bit more. So now's the fun part where you get to pick your color. Now I went with green because my pipe cleaner is green. So I'm thinking when my crystal is formed that I won't see the pipe cleaner so much, that because it's green it'll match. Up to you how you want to do that. I couldn't find any white pipe cleaner, but that's what was recommended. So you can go ahead, add in lots of food coloring. It said about 20 drops. Just a good amount, not lots. I think I want it even darker. Now when you have it the right shade that you want, you're going to just submerge your string with your pipe cleaner on it into your solution and leave it for at least 8 hours, 8 to 12 hours or overnight. So I'm going to drop it in there, cover it, leave it for a good amount of time without disturbing it, and hopefully we will have crystals if this is successful. If you want to post a picture or a video of your crystals by the end of the week, all our grade 5 teachers here would love to see them. And thanks for joining me for kitchen chemistry.